Hi guys, and welcome back to myjewelrybench.com. This is Peter. I'm here to show you now how to download the files that we'll be using. For instance, the program Blender 3D and the two add-ons, the Materials add-on and our Asset File System add-on, both which, actually all of which are free. So here I'm going to show you how to download those. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to myjewelrybench.com in your web browser. I'm going to use the Chrome browser because it's the same on both the Mac and the PC, and I am obviously right now working on a Mac, but in future videos you'll see me working on a PC. Don't worry about that. If you have a PC, download the Windows version. If you have a Mac, download the Mac version. Both programs run identically and the add-ons will work fine. So let's get over to myjewelrybench.com. And here it is. This is our website. What I want you to do now is go over to Jewelry and the drop-down menu. You'll go down to the category, the subcategory here, Jewelry CAD Design. Select that, and now you may not get this as the first option that comes up. I'm going to see if I can kind of link this over to the side. So if you don't see it here, look under recent posts to the next mark here. I might have a direct link to downloading the files here. We're going to click on this article and bring up the article. In the article you can see these are the locations of where we're going to download things. First things first, we're going to start by downloading Blender 3D. Click this link. It's going to open up another tab which is going to take you to blender.org. Here we are at blender.org. You can see up here, and we're going to select whatever version we want, and we're going to select the installer, not the zip file. And the reason for that is it's just easier. It's easier for you not to have to worry about expanding it somewhere. If you're not familiar with software, we're just going to download the installer. So depending on which version of Windows you have, you're going to pick either the 64 or the 32-bit. Typically, if you're running Windows 10, you've got the 64-bit. If you're running a Mac version, you're going to download it right here. This would be the Mac version right here. Let's get back. And then we have the two Windows versions here, 32 and 64-bit. Again, if you run Windows 10, you're going to want to download the 64-bit. If you're running a Mac, you're going to download this version. These download files take up a little space, but not that much in today's computer power. So that's the first thing, and let's see, I'm on a Mac here, so I'm just going to click this here, and you'll see down at the bottom, it is downloading Blender right here. So no need to worry about what that's doing here. I'm just going to close this up, and now we're back to our document. Once we've done that, we're going to come over to this, the next category is downloading the asset flanger, and that basically is an add-on application for Blender, which is free, that allows you to create and store items that you make in 3D. So if you make a ring and you want to save it and reuse it later, you can put it into the asset flanger and then call it up and reload it at another time in another document. It's pretty cool. So you're going to click here, and to download this you're going to click right here, clone or download. And then we're going to say download zip. And it's going to go into your downloads file. You can see right here it's kind of going in there. It doesn't take more than a couple seconds to download this. Once that's done, you can close that window up. And the last thing is the Pvr Materials. We're going to use version 3. There's version 3.1 right now while I'm recording this. It may change in the future. Click the link right here to download that. Takes you to the Pvr Materials. This person who wrote this add-on has a cool little video you can watch, or you can scroll down to where it says download, and then again Pvr, the latest version, downloads right away. That's it. Now everything should be in your download directory, so from here on you can go back to, let's get back to the Jewelry CAD system. You're going to see this is a little bit out of order. Unfortunately, when I did this I forgot to put the downloading part in there. The next thing we're going to be seeing is installing Blender. So you kind of got to go a little out of order here. But again, I'm going to link the a fixed link right on the sidebar so that downloading these files is a little quicker. Once you've done that, you can click over here to installing Blender 3D, and this will walk you through that, and I have a video to show you how to do it. Thank you, and have a good day. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you want to keep watching, you can subscribe or just bookmark our website so you can see all the new videos that are coming out. Thanks. Have a good night.